Hey, the only way to remove at a glance from the home screen on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is just to get the new launcher. And take a look. I can actually recommend you to use the Pixel launcher. Yeah, this is actually the same name for the launcher that we already have on the Pixel. But right here, the developer of this launcher add extension that allows us to actually get rid of the at a glance. So now just get it on your phone, open it, and now if you want to remove it, you have to click and hold on the empty space on the home screen. Click on the home settings. And now we just have to search for at a glance. It's here. Click on the change settings. Get this notification access, there we go. Now we have to go back, and now go back again and tap. Okay, sometimes you can actually get some ads here because it's completely free, and I mean not in the launcher while browsing something on the phone, but just, you know, when you actually open this. So click here, and now as you can see, when you open it, it just disappear. And of course you can set up this one as a default launcher by going into the settings, opening apps, selecting default apps, selecting home app, and switching to the Pixel launcher. There we go, at a glance disappear. That's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.